I don't really know what the plan is for tonight. I think we're just gonna go maybe to eat. I always say you gotta look good to feel good, and bitch, I'm feeling good right now. You never know who you're gonna run into. You never know who you're gonna see, but don't do it for them, do it for you, because you know you're gonna be looking poppin'. Okay, so I always begin with primer, and I'm gonna be priming my cheeks, mainly this area right here, and whatever is left over I will use on my chin or on my forehead. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I took a shower and my hair is pretty dry at this point. This is the bathrobe that I always use after I get out the shower. I don't really like to put clothes on, to be honest, and I have other ones, but this one is my favorite. It's so cozy. Also, you guys, look what I have on right now. Some foot mask. My heels were really cracked and everything, so I was just like, you know what, let me get a foot peel mask, because I ain't trying to look dusty, crusty, and musty. Like, no, baby girl, where do they do that at? Not here. Foot pics are gonna be going up for sale, so hit me up. Bitch. Okay, so I'm gonna first be going in with my brows. That is the first thing I ever do. Sometimes I like to switch it up and do my foundation first. Honestly, using this lip pencil has been so convenient for me. I feel like I can just shade it in real quick, and then with the little spoolie, I brush up my hairs. And because I'm gonna be concealing it, I don't really have to worry about it looking crazy. Like, do you see how fast this is going? Like, I have a crazy ass story to tell you guys, and this literally just happened yesterday. Like, we didn't even expect it or anything. Oh my god, I'm running out of concealer. What? I get nothing on the brush. Oh, I got a little bit. Never mind. Never mind. If you guys watch my stories on Instagram, you guys have seen that where I live, it's really cold, like in the negatives, bitch. So me and Jair, we were home. It was around 7 p.m. or so, and I had just finished making us dinner. As we were ready to sit down and eat our dinner, we hear a knock on the door, and we're like, what the fuck, like, who could this be? The only person that we thought of was the neighbor next door, because to enter our apartment you have to have a key that opens the door downstairs to be able to go upstairs to our apartment. I don't know if that makes sense. So we're like, fuck, like, are we being too loud? Like, what is going on? And we look through the peephole, you guys, and we can't see anybody. So I tell Jair, I'm like, just don't open the door, like, they'll go away, like, whatever, you know? And then the knocks keep coming while we're over here like crickets, like not trying to make a sound. And then they stop. But then we hear the knocks on the other door. So we're like, this is not the fucking neighbor. Like, the neighbor wouldn't be knocking at its own door. Mind you, like, our apartment's here, the door's here, and then the apartment next to us is here. Like, there's literally that gap between us. It's not that big of a gap. And so once I hear the knock on the other door, I quickly ran to the door and I peep through the little peephole, and all I see is this person like covered up in like a big ass jacket, and I'm like, what the fuck? Like, it didn't even look like a guy, to be honest. It kind of looked like more feminine, more short. So I was like, this is probably a girl. And I was right, because then she turned around and I seen that it was a girl, and she was coming back to her door, and then she starts knocking, and then I'm like, fuck, like, I'm there in the door, so I get scared a little bit. And then I told Jair, like, this girl looks crazy. Like, I don't even know how she got up here. Was the door unlocked? Like, what happened? There is no way she could have gotten up there. So me and Jair, it was so funny. We started like grabbing knives and like thinking we're gangster or whatnot. Like, this bitch, if she tries something funny, like, we're ready. Bitch, don't try us, because we're gonna fuck you up. At least me, because I'm a female and I can touch you. My man, he's not gonna touch you, but if you try to touch me, he gonna touch you, so don't do it. So I'm like, fuck it, just open the door. And then Jair opens the door, and this bitch goes, like, she doesn't say hello, she doesn't say how are you guys, she doesn't say anything. The first thing that comes out of her mouth is, can I come in here to get warm? Like, bitch, who says that? Especially if I don't know you. You come out of the streets. I don't know nothing about you. And I understand it's cold, but for you to come up to us and say that shit, like, I just thought it was real fishy, and I didn't trust you as soon as you said that. So I didn't open the door. Jair opened the door, and Jair is like, I don't know. So as soon as I hear that, I go over there. I was trying to be nice. I was like, I'm sorry, I don't really know you. I don't think I should let a stranger into my home. And this bitch starts laughing. And then as soon as she laughs, I see her fucked up teeth. Like, bitch, you a motherfucking crackhead. Not because I seen this, I ain't for sure letting you into my house. fuck that, bitch. I'll give you a blanket, but that's about it. You can stay up here like outside our door, but you ain't about to come inside my house. So I'm like, sorry, like the only thing that I could do for you is, you know, just give you a blanket. So that's what I did. Like, this bitch didn't say anything at all. She was just like there staring at us. So I go to one of my closets where I keep all of my blankets, and I take like the warmest one that we have, and I gave it to her. Like, mind you, this was expensive. I didn't expect you to come. Like, this is my blanket, but I'm giving it to you because I genuinely feel bad for you. So I went to grab it and I gave it to her, and I'm like, here, use this so you can sleep here. When I tell you guys I was paranoid all night, I did not even go to sleep. I'm like, this bitch is out here. I don't want her to try something funny, like try to break in and rob us or anything. So my paranoid ass like stayed up, and I was just like making sure she wasn't doing nothing crazy. And she was still out there. Like, she legit fell asleep outside our door. Like, I felt so bad, but at the same time, like, you guys gotta understand, like, you guys can't let anybody random come into your home. Like, you don't know that person. Like, you don't know what their intentions are. I don't know you. I don't owe you anything. So you're gonna have to stay outside with my blanket. That's it. You guys, it's kind of funny, but I'm still not used to drinking sodas or beers like this, because growing up, my mom raised us to just drink water, milk, and juice. Like, that's how I was raised. And honestly, I didn't even mind it. Like, I love juice. I live for juice. I would drink sodas, of course, at like parties and stuff, but like that wasn't my thing. I still don't like the fizziness. Like, my mouth is still not used to it, so like it kind of hurts sometimes. Like, I don't know how, but it hurts like to drink soda sometimes. I don't know. I gotta hurry up, guys. Procrastinating is honestly one of my biggest, baddest habits that I have. I haven't ate all day, so I'm really feeling that beer now. I want to thank you guys for entering my giveaway on Instagram. Once I have 500 subscribers here on YouTube, I'm going to be having another giveaway, so don't be sad, girl. I really appreciate you guys. I feel like you guys aren't just subscribers or followers. I deadass will have genuine conversations with some of you. So at this point, like, we're friends. So I'm really grateful that you guys are here. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna be setting my eyes with the Mixed Metals palette. You guys, it broke. If you guys have watched my old videos, you know this was my ride or die palette. I used it so much to the point that it broke, but honestly, no regrets around here. I really love this palette, you guys, and I'm still gonna continue to use it even with a broken mirror. You guys, so I'm almost ready. All I have left to do is my hair. So I'm gonna be using this straightener that I got at Ross, you guys, and it's by the Kardashian. It's honestly a pretty bomb straightener, you guys, and it's not only a straightener, it's also a curler. So this blades over here, you can turn them on and it turns into a curler. You can also use it as a straightener. But look, I like to turn mine up really high, up to like 400. So I'm gonna straighten my hair and head out the door because I gotta go. You guys, I deadass have to wear a blanket when I go outside because it's so cold. Let's go. This is what I mean when I was talking to you guys about the space between the two apartments, and then that's the stairs. This is the door that I was talking to you guys about. It's always locked. So I don't know how that bitch got in here. Ugh, how the fuck am I gonna get in there? This is harder than it looks. So cold. Oh, I'm sinking. I'm sinking into the snow. Hello, verga. Talk about a fucking struggle. I want to be wearing heels and I want to be looking cute, but I can't because the motherfucking snow. I didn't even show you guys my outfit, but I'm wearing like this cute little sweater. I gotta fix this. And then some Fashion Nova jeans and these heels. I don't even know where I got these heels at. Probably like at Charlotte Russe or something. Wow, fancy. So pretty here. Let's cheers.
It's a good food, a good relationship.
Pinkies up, Jared. Pinkies up. You know, it's funny, but every time I drink like anything, whether it's like water or anything, like my pinky will go up. I siempre soy así. Es pinche, ¿cuánto es? 38 por adultos aquí, no mames.
$38 por persona.
Let me try that.
Okay, there it goes. Not bad, right?
That's actually not bad at all.
It's dead now.
Right? Look, se fueron los de aquí y ya se siente como like just dead.
No, se fueron los de allá primero y luego bajó un chingo. You're right about the shrimp though, they're spicy.
These, right?
Yeah, if I can handle yesterday's spaghetti. Today wasn't so spicy though.
Really? I made him spaghetti last night and it was so spicy. So spicy.
Any more shrimps?
Yeah.
Just him.
A couple of each?
Yeah, a couple of each, please.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you. Just a little bit of chicken, yeah.
One or two?
Just one.
Beautiful.
I'm already full though.
I'm full as fuck too.
I'm just doing it because it's expensive as hell. Sí, quiero que no me pegue, pero sí, ya me pegó, entonces ya vale tipo.
¿No te pegó la cerveza?
Ya me pegó, sí.
¿En serio?
Sí.
Creo que a mí más o menos, pero no tanto. 2 hours later.
That's
Full
on
as
my
fuck.
schedule now.
Full.
Yeah, I'll have another Bud Light.
I'll have the same thing. Full.
Gym food. I don't think I'm gonna eat tomorrow.
Yeah, you will. You know you will.
Don't
You're a
judge
little
me.
fatty.
Don't judge me.